Okay, I'm Tom Whitwell from Music Thing Modular here at Superbooth. So the new module of the Superbooth is Startup. The idea is this is everything you need for a small case. At the top you've got a tap clock, so you tap in the BPM you want. That's now going out over into the Turing machine. So the idea of this is it's for small cases, it's everything you need in one place, and it works just like a normal tap tempo. The output to the side of it is a clock divider. So if you hold down the divide button, you get a slower clock that's related to that one. If you tap it, it goes faster. So you've got two related clocks coming out of that one block at the top. The rest of the module is a headphone mixer. And it's a kind of preset mixer. So you've got loud, medium, and quiet. So if you patch into the bottom one, it's very quiet. You may just be able to hear that in the background. The idea there is you can patch a full wave, kind of square wave into that, and it will still be mixed with the other channels. The next one is a little bit louder, so you can balance the signals by repatching. The top one is the loudest. And if you patch into the other channel, so if we patch a bandpass over here, it splits it into a stereo signal, so you're now getting the different outputs on the two sides. So it's trying to make a really, really compact mixer, so it's a 5-channel mixer, but taking up as little space as it possibly can. And at the bottom you've got a nice, clean, loud headphone output with 2 outs here, so if there's 2 of you looking at the case, you can both patch into it. And finally, here you've got a line in, so if you're using a little Korg Volca or something like that, you can patch into that and it's part of the mix. So the idea behind this module was if you're new to Eurorack or you're starting a really small lunchbox case like this is everything you need to get started. You need this and a power supply and a box. So it should be the quickest way to get into the scene. And this will be available in probably the next few months from Thonk. It's quite a simple DIY kit because it's got a lot of surface mount soldering on the back that's already done. So it's just a case of putting together the pots and the sockets and the switches. The other thing we're doing at Superbooth is yesterday we ran a DIY workshop. We had 10 people in building little microphony kits. Worked really well. 10 people went away happy with something they'd made there. The nice thing about Superbooth is it's got a really strong DIY culture here. You've got people like Bafako, you've got Bastel here, and all day long they're running DIY workshops down the corridor. People are in there often soldering for the first time, putting kits together and going away with something they built themselves.